Good morning, Madam and Sir Chosan. I am Liselda Asintado, 47 years of age, married, and have one 15-year-old daughter. I have experience in Hong Kong way back 2013 and 2017, 4 years in one employer with 5 members of the family, with 3 children, with ages of 3, 7, and 10 years old. And recently, I finished my contract 2 years from 2023 up to November 2025 in Abu Dhabi, UAE, with 9 members of the family, with 6 adults and 3 children, which included the 2-year-old boy I look after since birth. I can cook simple dishes, Chinese dishes, do my household chores, assisting children, and etc. I am happy person, enthusiastic, trustworthy, diligent, and hardworking. I can do work with co-worker with respect, because I do believe having respect is to make work better. And also, I must prepare to taking care, child care or newborn baby, which I can interact with good interactions and give my proper love and care, just like my own. Thank you, Madam and Sir, if choosing me to be the part of your family, to give my service to your family with all my heart. Thank you, Madam and Sir, and God bless us all.